Introducing the DM360, a turnkey solution that brings together Diamond's trusted attachments to an industry-proven platform. This collaboration delivers unmatched visibility, stability, and versatility on a robust chassis built for the most demanding roadside environments. With its signature rotating cab and boom, the DM360 gives operators a true 360-degree advantage. Better visibility, improved comfort, and unmatched control. Advanced features like joystick steering, all-wheel steer, and industry-leading left-hand mowing empower crews to work more efficiently, confidently, and in sync with the demands of municipal maintenance. The lineup includes two models, the DM360 and the enhanced DM360X. Safety sits at the core of both machines. Each unit features half-inch polycarbonate operator protection, a level 2 FOPS roof guard, and a standard reverse camera, giving operators confidence and protection on every job. When it comes to serviceability, DM360 dealers serve as your single service provider, simplifying support and minimizing downtime. These machines are engineered for easy in-field maintenance, keeping crews productive throughout the season. The optional tilt rotator gives operators flexible cutting angles and precision control, delivering cleaner results in a wide range of applications. On units with a 30-foot boom, a telescoping secondary boom extends reach, unlocking enhanced capability where operators need it most. They come standard with an axle stabilizer and low engine placement in the chassis for superior balance and control. For customers wanting even more versatility in all seasons, the DM360X includes a universal skid steer plate and dedicated hydraulics, allowing additional options such as snowblowers, sweepers, and assorted diamond attachments to maximize year-round asset utilization. The DM360 isn't just a machine, it's a partner designed to transform roadside operations.